Ever wanted to have your own online store but have no idea where to start? Well, you came to the right place. I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your own e-commerce store, market your products, but most importantly, sell. In this completely free course, I'm going to be teaching you how you can build and manage a successful online business from scratch. No technical skills required, no prior knowledge required. You will learn how to create your own e-commerce store that runs for you 24 hours a day without the risk of holding inventory and wasting money on products that may or may not sell. You will learn about a business model with a significantly low startup cost, and you will have complete control over your time and your income. You will learn secret methods never explained before to find products that will sell and how to market those products to the right audience. You'll also learn how to work with local suppliers to build a long-time brand that customers will learn to love and keep coming back to buy more. You will learn about these dropshipping suppliers with the fastest shipping times and the best customer service that you will be able to deal back to your customers. You will also learn how to process your orders and handle customer support, which is very important for the long-term success of your business. And at the end of the day, you will be able to build your own online asset that generates sales and profit. You will learn more secret methods to your own personal success that you can't find anywhere else. And that is why you should sign up for this free course. All you need to do is enter your email address and that's it. You're in. So what are you waiting for? Just leave your email address down below to sign up for this course. It's completely free and you're going to learn how to unleash that entrepreneur that's inside of you. So with nothing to lose and everything to gain, I hope that you're signing up right now, and I'll see you in our first lesson in just a few seconds.